Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add calculator to control center on iPhone. So with the new update of iOS 18, they have made some changes to your control center. So right now, if you want to add calculator to your control center, let me show you how it is done. So the first thing is open up your settings and you need to update your iPhone to iOS 18. Now, scroll down and click on General. Click on Software Update and update your device to iOS 18. In order to add calculator to your control center, just scroll down to your control center and click on this plus button at the top left corner. After that, click on Add a Control at the bottom right here. Once you click on Add a Control, you can now look for the calculator control, so you can also search for it right here. Once you search for it, just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to add it to your control center. So right now, you can make it to be bigger or smaller. Just drag this icon, long click on it, and drag it anywhere you like. As you can see, you can make it to be bigger or smaller, so I'm just going to leave it like this. So click on anywhere on your screen to confirm the change. Now you can just scroll down the iPhone screen and open calculator from the control center. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching.